Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: Queasy, Q-U-E-A-S-Y. Maul, M-A-U-L. Queasy, not feeling well or nauseous, feeling worried or unhappy. Synonyms: sick, ill, qualmish, unwell, dizzy, uncomfortable, fidgety, anxious, squeamish, restless. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: comfortable, healthy, content, happy, satisfied. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we felt queasy as soon as boat left the harbor. Maul, to physically attack and badly hurt a person or animal, or savage. Synonyms: lacerate, drub, maltreat, hit, manhandle, beat, scratch, thrash, bludgeon, bash, claw, tear. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: protect, aid, assist, help, guard, maintain, nurture, take care. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: India mauled Japan 5-1 in Asia Cup hockey. Another example can be given: a small boy was mauled by street dog. Quip, Q-U-I-P. Sly, S-L-Y. Quip, a humorous and clever remark. Synonyms: banter, joke, fun, jest, jape, quirk, peculiarity, wisecrack, idiosyncrasy, mannerism, oddity. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: seriousness, flattery, sameness, misinterpret, misunderstand. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the minister responded to the journalist's questions with a clever quip. Sly, deceiving people in a clever way in order to get what you want. Synonyms: canny, impish, artful, cunning, shrewd, tricky, devious, sharp, crooked, sneaking, foxy, wily. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: artless, innocent, guileless, honest, knave, fair, frank, unbased, sincere, straightforward, transparent. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: nowadays salesmen are becoming sly. Querulous, Q-U-E-R-U-L-O-U-S. Winsome, W-I-N-S-O-M-E. Querulous, complaining often in an argumentative or unpleasant manner. Synonyms: petulant, pettish, cranky, grumpy, fussy, crabby, waspish, tetchy, irritable, peevish, quarrelsome. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: patient, tolerant, uncomplaining, satisfied, contented, genial, good-tempered, cheerful. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: teacher asked querulous students to put down all their complaints in writing. Winsome, attractive and pleasing with simple qualities. Synonyms: charming, appealing, taking, pretty, cheerful, lovable, blithesome, bright, delightful, fascinating. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: gloomy, sulky, sullen, glum, dour, sour, disagreeable, acrimonious, hateful, saturnine, morose. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Joy has a winsome boyish smile. Jostle, J-O-S-T-L-E. Pompous, P-O-M-P-O-U-S. Jostle, to make one's way by pushing or shoving. Synonyms: struggle, tussle, pull, crash, elbow, jam, press, push, force, scramble, squeeze, shove, crowd. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: leave alone, repress, civilian, repulsion, stay in place, thug. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: everyone in the crowd was jostling each other trying to get a better view. Pompous: feeling or showing that you think you are better or more important than other person. Synonyms: self-important, imperious, boastful, domineering, magisterial, arrogant, overweening, superior, uppish. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: humble, modest, kind, simple, lowly, unarrogant, plain, self-effacing. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Monish is somewhat pompous and has high opinion of his own capabilities. Effete, E-F-F-E-T-E. Unscathed, U-N-S-C-A-T-H-E-D. Effete, weak or without much power. Synonyms: weakened, enfeebled, burnout, exhaust, worn out, drained, decoyed, affected, degenerate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: powerful, capable, useful, productive, working, tireless. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: after surgery, the effete patient was unable to walk for several days. Unscathed, without suffering any injury, damage or harm. Synonyms: unharmed, uninjured, unhurt, safe, secure, undamaged, well, hale, unscratched, alright, healthy. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: harmed, injured, hurt, damaged, wounded, vulnerable, unsafe, exposed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Rita's family came away from the accident unscathed, but the car got badly damaged. Repine, R-E-P-I-N-E. Broach, B-R-O-A-C-H. Repine, to feel sad or complain about something, especially a bad situation. Synonyms: mope, languish, grumble, murmur, regret, mourn. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: be happy, hate, praise, compliment, dislike, rejoice. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Sudha was alone and unloved, but she did not repine. Broach, bring up a topic for discussion. Synonyms: bring up, raise, introduce, mention, surface, break, express, vent, utter, invoke, crop up. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: close, deny, take back, dissuade, refuse, stop, withdraw, not mention. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: he hopes they will sponsor the event, but he hasn't broached the subject with them yet. Priggish, P-R-I-G-G-I-S-H. Gainsay, G-A-I-N-S-A-Y. Priggish, self-righteous. Synonyms: smug, pompous, stuffy, honest, upright, blue-nosed, nice-nelly, proddish, refined, decent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: liberated, permissive, immoral, bad, improper, skanky, sleazy, degraded. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: his priggish attitude led to the downfall of his career. Gainsay, deny or contradict. Synonyms: contravene, disagree, oppose, reject, negative, disallow, negate, refute, repudiate. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: admit, allow, acknowledge, agree, consent, confirm, support, assist, aid, permit, harmonize, endorse. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, our boss believes his own publicity because no one dares to gainsay it. Succumb, S-U-C-C-U-M-B. Ardor, A-R-D-O-U-R. Succumb, to lose the determination to oppose something or to accept defeat. Synonyms, surrender, give away, submit, bow, quit, pass away, give in, go down, yield, relent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, resist, conquer, defend, refuse, stay, overcome, deny, win, create, bear. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, lakhs of people succumbed to the COVID-19 in the past few months. Ardor, great enthusiasm or passion. Synonyms, eagerness, passion, avidity, zeal, intensity, warmth, fire, spirit, gusto, devotion, heat. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, apathy, indifference, coldness, frigidity, lethargy, dullness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, in school annual day, we sang with real ardor. Eavesdrop, E-A-V-E-S-D-R-O-P. Tad, T-A-D. Eavesdrop, secretly listen to a conversation. Synonyms, overhear, listen in, spy, bug, monitor, intrude, snooper, wiretap, ears into, tap, pry. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, ignore, omit, inattention, calm, neglect, take no notice, pay no attention. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, it is not polite to eavesdrop on the conversation of other people. Tad, a very small amount. Synonyms, little bit, crumb, ounce, mite, hint, ace, particle, peanuts, nip. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, excess, a lot, whole, plenty, so much, high amount. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, I need a tad of salt please. Meddle, M-E-D-D-L-E. Passel, P-A-S-S-E-L. Meddle, interfere in something that is not one's concern. Synonyms, interfere, interlope, impede, intervene, infringe, encroach, pry, snoop, intrude. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, aid, assist, facilitate, help, retreat, yield, ignore. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, people shouldn't meddle with things they don't understand. Passel, a large group of people or things. Synonyms, abundance, assemblage, gathering, fullness, bulk, bunch, bundle, mass. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms, little, lack, debt, ditch, insufficiency, individual. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, I went twice, first with passel of other reporters and a second time alone. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.